If you're learning Power BI and you haven't used external tools yet, or how to get them, then you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to show you how to easily download all the external tools you will ever need to use for Power BI in just a few seconds. First, we're going to go to PowerBI.tips. Next, hover over the Tools section and then click Business Ops. Once you're at Business Ops, just download the program. After you've downloaded the program, come to Add External Tools, and then you can see all the external tools that are listed in here that we can download. There's a couple external tools that I'm missing, so let's download those. I'm missing DAX.do and Metadata Translator. I'm also missing Analyze in Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. Install. The installation was successful. Now I'm going to restart my Power BI report. Now that I've started my Power BI report, you can see in the External Tools section, I now have Metadata Translator, Analyze in Excel, and DAX.do. If you like this video, make sure to like and share my content. Thanks for watching.